right here we have a 400 EX.
Marlboro's all the way, baby. All right.
And it's basically stock. It's got an AC Racing skid plates on it, Pro Armor Nerf bar, EBC brakes. That's about it. This spring I'm gonna get an exhaust and probably rear tires because they're kind of fucked at the moment. But I'll start it up for you, show you how it sounds. The stock shitty exhaust. Yeah! Woo!
Alrighty.
Yeah! Well, this is my buddy Cody's
2002
Yamaha fucking blaster. And
kicks his quad's ass, just let you know.
that's what he likes to think. But you know, this Yamaha ain't worthy of it. I'll try to start this piece of shit for you today. It has its up and downs. Fucking piece of shit.
Hit the kill switch.
Gotta pull a choke because it's a Yamaha. It's not that impressive, I know. It's kind of stock. It's got this.
It'll be ready for y'all this thing.
It's got this nice bumper. That's the highlight of the whole fucking quad. Got these tires. They're pretty good, I gotta admit. Check that shit out. Check that shit out, YouTube. Rolling on Danes. Rolling, man.
Rolling. Kills them niggers' asses.
Well, I'll get some more videos up of him wrecking this thing and me riding mine like a normal person.
You see, this is how we go in White Pine.